have filed 307. They came
307 against the wife and family
Please,
members.
please.
Father,
Subsequently, 307 has been
father,
dropped.
brother, yes. Father, brothers, ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು 341 is in my case. They came to my house and assaulted me.
Hmm.
And 12197 is DV Act. Subsequently, she filed because she filed 498A.
Hmm.
She filed DV Act. For
You've been paying?
Yes, yes.
Then why have you challenged it? Thursday.
Please, yes.
Next.
Serial number 3, Milord. For the
Yes, madam.
main case is Milord 2597 of 23.
ಯಾವ್ದು madam ಅದು?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ. 2597 is the main case.
Filed by
Well,
Praveen
I-
Kumar.
Please, madam.
Ah.
Case is registered.
Petitioner.
Case is registered on my complaint. It was 307 in the FIR, Milord. And
Main
as a
case,
counter blast.
main case ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ first.
Yes,
Ah,
as
ಕೊಡಿ
a
ಅದು.
counter blast, she has
ಇದೆ
filed
ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
498.
ಕೊಡಿ madam.
The respondent number 2 is the wife. Or husband, my lord.
My lord.
Respondent- Petition number 3 is the.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ you are appearing for the husband?
Yes, my lord. Charge sheet is at page number 76, my lord. The FIR is at page number 66.
No, I am holding the petition filed by Praveen Kumar.
Please,
Please refer to the pages in that petition. You said that's the main petition.
Praveen Kumar.
Advocate Praveen.
3.1.
You said that is the main petition.
That is a criminal petition 2597.
2597.
Yes, my lord.
Pages ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, my lord, still.
Sir,
Heart is all this. ಕಾಪಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಾಗಿದೆ? ನಾನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. If that is the main case, then give a copy.
Please.
This 498 she has filed as a counter blast. ನಾನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಹೋಗಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. madam. She
ನೀವು ಏನ್
filed-
ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ?
I have filed 307. They came
307 against the wife and family
Please,
members.
please.
Father,
Subsequently, 307 has been
father,
dropped.
brother, yes. Father, brothers ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು 341 is in my case. They came to my house and assaulted me.
Hmm.
And subsequently she went and they made her go and file 498A.
Hmm.
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ effective ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Hmm.
She went to
By-
Mahila police station.
by injury.
I went to jurisdictional police station. I filed complaint.
Hmm.
I was in hospital. Their police came and registered my complaint, my lord.
The charge sheet material is here.
Yes, my lord. My charge sheet, yes, it is there.
Karnataka HCGP is
76,
directed to.
76 page number. It is my charge sheet.
What have you challenged in this case, madam? ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ಗೆ
I
ಬನ್ನಿ.
challenge this 498A.
1 minute. 129197 of 23 is filed by you.
12197 is DV Act. Subsequently, she filed because she filed 498A.
Hmm.
She filed DV Act. First is 498A, my lord.
So what is the order passed by the court in criminal miscellaneous 33 of 2021?
33 is DV Act, my lord.
Hmm.
That is, they have,
Maintenance is ordered at 10,000 each
Yes,
from the
yes, sir.
respondent.
yes.
What is
That
wrong?
I have been.
You have been paying?
Yes, yes.
Then why have you challenged it?
Because once it is ordered, I have to pay. I have to comply. Then I can.
Then continue to comply.
That I have been, my lord. I have been doing it. But what about this, my lord? 498A.
That
and-
we will see.
Yes.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The
there shall be
learned
a stay.
counsel for the petitioner, WP, a criminal petition 12197. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the order directing payment of maintenance at rupees 10,000 has been complied with and would be complied with during the pendency of the petition. The submission is placed on record. ಈಗ 498 ಯಾವುದು?
12264.
3.2, my lord. Serial number 3.2.
Yes. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes. I filed a complaint and it is 2597, my lord.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎರಡು ನಡೀಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಹೇಗೆ, my lord? This is a false case. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು attack ಮಾಡಿ 341 is in my case.
One
They came to my house.
1 minute. Government, secure entire charge sheet material
Please.
in all these cases and produce it before the court, and you serve a copy of the petition forthwith. The petitioner in writ petition, criminal petition 2597 of 2023 shall forthwith serve complete set of papers upon the counsel representing the second respondent wife,
Husband.
second respondent husband, list these matters on Wednesday.
498 may be stayed. my lord. First
498 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
12264. Maybe stayed.
Who are the petitioners?
Tell husband alone.
No, I will not stay. Yes. Unless I hear, I will not stay.
So far as my petition is concerned, my lord,
You first serve, sir.
please.